After installing these updates, Xbox mode is added to the desktop, allowing you to experience an Xbox console-like interface on your PC. In addition, Microsoft has patched issues with the taskbar and improved the reliability of Windows Hello. If you are unable to install these updates, follow the instructions in this video.
First, open the Start menu. Type Services. Open Services. Locate the Windows Update service. Right-click Windows Update and select Properties. In Startup Type, select Automatic. Open the Recovery tab. In second failure, select Restart the services. Press Start or Restart if the service is enabled. Now run Windows Update. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scano. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit and then press Enter. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Recovery. Locate Advanced Startup. Click on Restart Now. Click on Restart Now again. Press Troubleshoot. Press Advanced Options. Press Startup Settings. Press Restart. Press your F4 key. Open a folder. Open your C drive. Open the Windows folder. Locate software distribution. Right-click it and select Delete. Restart your PC. Now run Windows Update.